Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download install iOS 16 beta 7 on your iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to Apple successfully released the iOS 16 beta 7 for the public users. Now the iPhone users question is what to do for the download install iOS 16 beta 7 on iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now first important thing is strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Once you connected, now successfully open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browser. In my case, I will open the Safari browser. This website link I give you on my description box, so guys easily copy and paste on your browsers and open it. Now select the iOS 16. Now you can see also iOS beta profile, and also bottom part you can see also iOS 16 beta 7 versions available. Now simply tap on the install profile. Now tap on the allow. This all the settings done. After again come back in home screens and now open the settings app on your iPhone and iPad. In the settings app you can see also profile downloaded options available. Now simple thing is tap on the iOS 16 beta profile option. Now tap on the enter your correct passcode. Again now tap on the right hand side corner install option. This all the settings done. After again open the settings app. In settings app go down and tap on the general. In general second option is software update. In software update you can see also iOS 16 beta 7 versions available. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.